Well, I call them all lovely, but this one's nice, isn't it? Some nice little mods, the front end to modify it, looking good, looking good. So this one's in for Ecutek map and a Japspeed 4-to-1 manifold this morning. Customer is filling, good morning James.
Morning.
Customer is filling in his form, standard Dynodaze disclaimer. I'm doing my usual walk round, having a look at it. I like the Maxton stuff. Someone doesn't want to be in a video. Do you want to be in this video? No, she doesn't want to be in the video. Okay, look at that. Beautiful. Let's get cracking. So here's a manifold going on to this beautiful FN2.
Nice and clear this one, isn't it?
It is nice, isn't it, mate?
All the red ones, black before.
What's it in for, Jason? Remind me, it's in for...
Toyota 4 manifold.
Yeah.
And a clutch bias valve delete.
A clutch bias valve delete.
ECU tech map.
Yeah. Wants a little tidy up underneath, doesn't it?
All of them do that, really.
Yeah, they do, you're right.
They're all getting to that age now.
There we go. Clutch bypass. Ooh. Yeah, Jason. You enjoy fitting them now?
Yeah, a little bit.
You going to clean the pot out?
Yeah.
Good man. Okay, so the FN2 that's been in today is finally on the dyno. It's getting a bit late on in the day now. We've got HKS intake, we've got a 4-to-1 manifold, Japspeed style, exhaust midsection and back box. Yeah, and we're going to get it mapped up. So this is actually a non-GT model. So we're going to still do our normal work with switchable maps and then set everything to map 1 so that it's on there. So that if the customer in the future decides to get the Ecutek Connect device, he can still switch between his maps using his phone. So that's the plan. And then if he wants, we're going to set launch control for him so that it's where Richard would have it. Yeah, so still same experience. It will still be making all the nice noises, hopefully, and we'll see what power she makes. So first run on the dyno, as it is right now with the mods that it's got. Then we'll flash the Ecutek software to it, effectively cracking the ECU. No need to take out the ECU or anything like that. We're going to map this ECU that's in there. You guys already know that costs 499 quid. Yeah, you know, don't you? So right, here we go. First run. So there's another FN2 in the bag. We are finishing our 220 brake, which is 186 at the wheels. Like I said, non-GT model, but still done really, really well. What a busy day it's been today at Dynodaze. I'm about ready for my bed.
say it again. Life was pretty fast.